One mind map is used to explain this heat map analysis in this particular video. And if you want to get this mind map, you need to download our Shomu's Biology app from the Play Store. And inside the study material section, you can clearly see the mind map for all these videos that we're sharing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about the fundamental processes of life, which we also call as a molecular biology unit. From CSIR net LSBT syllabus, we have this unit, fundamental processes of life or molecular biology. Now, what is the overall verdict on this particular chapter? What are the type of questions that they ask multiple times? Every single session, almost every single session, repeatedly from this chapter is something that we are going to talk today. We call it as a heat map analysis, and that's a Shomu's Biology original heat map analysis for unit 3, that is fundamental processes of life. Here it is for you. So we'll divide it into two different sections, the final verdict and also the repetitive topics and most important topics. So start with the final verdict that we have regarding this chapter. Importance level, extremely high importance level. Second thing is scoring potential, very high. If concepts are strong, only if concepts are strong and the basic concepts are clear, your scoring potential is also very high from this chapter. The typical marks range that you can aim is 25 to 35 marks. Now here we have topics, anything related to the molecular biology. So two units can be collaborative. One is this unit 3 and this one unit 8, the genetics, the molecular genetics, where we have the DNA repair mechanisms, DNA mutation, right, DNA recombination, that is also tagged with the DNA replication, transcription, translation from unit 3 altogether, and we have this high chance of 25 marks. The topics to prioritize here, if we talk about replication, transcription, translation, gene regulation, DNA repair. These are the 5 topics to prioritize from this. This is the overall verdict on this chapter. Now, what are the topic-wise breakdown of this verdict? Why we said that these are the important topics? Why we said you get 25 to 35 marks of questions? It is because of this topic-wise breakdown that we are about to see. The first important topic is DNA replication, and the importance level is very high. It focuses on the DNA polymerase enzyme structure, helicase structure, ligase, primase, their role in the process of DNA replication, origin of DNA replication, proofreading activities of DNA replication are very, very important from the DNA replication term. From transcription, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes, prokaryotic and eukaryotic transcription process, and in this case this is also having very high importance. It focuses on the RNA polymerase structure and their type. Then the promoters and enhancers. In eukaryotic transcription, the role of promoters and enhancers, transcription factors that are involved in eukaryotic transcription and how they initiate the transcription. And then comes the translation. Translation importance level is very high. It also focuses on the different stages like initiation stage, elongation stage and termination stage in prokaryotes particularly, and we need to talk about the translation factors, the initiation factors, elongation factors and termination factors in prokaryotic translation. That is what is important. And in prokaryotic translation, other thing that is also important here is this prokaryotic translation is also the different translational inhibitors, the antibiotics that prevents the prokaryotic translation. Next we will move to the gene regulation, the operon, basically the operon concept. The importance level is high. It focuses on the lac operon, the tryptophan operon, and the difference between the inducible operon versus the repressible systems in the operon. Arabinose operon is least important among this operon concept, and beyond that we have mRNA processing, which is also very important, moderate to high importance of RNA processing. It focuses on the topics like RNA capping, 5' capping, 3' polyadenylation, RNA splicing, production of snRNPs, using snRNPs for the RNA splicing. So the snRNPs, mediated RNA splicing is most important. Also alternative splicing. DNA repair mechanisms, these are also important. The importance level is high for DNA repair mechanism, and the focus for the DNA repair mechanism is mismatch repair, nucleotide excision repair, homologous recombination. Although there is also base excision repair is out there. So base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, methyl mismatch repair, and homologous recombination, non-homologous end joining, all are important from DNA repair mechanisms. DNA interference or RNAi is also very important. The important level is moderate. The focus here in this case is miRNA and siRNA function, how they originate, what are their structures, and how they function. This is important. So these are the important focused area of RNA interference. Then we have chromatin remodeling. Now this is a topic of debate whether we put chromatin remodeling in cell biology or in molecular biology. Now I prefer to put it into the cell biology, but in syllabus it is in this unit 3 or molecular biology. Importance level is moderate for chromatin remodeling, and the chromatin remodeling focus on histone modification, acetylation and methylation, SY-SNF complexes in the process of DNA methylation, CpG island concept are equally important here for chromatin remodeling. The structural arrangement of nucleosome is another very important concept that is out there. Okay, so these are topic wise breakdown. That gives us overall summary on unit 3, fundamental processes of life for the LSBT syllabus. The final verdict has been discussed and the topic wise breakdown has also been taught. I believe now you are ready to attend the question from this unit for the preparation. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, subscribe to get more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. And if you wish to join our coaching, or if you want to buy our study material, or if you want to join our mock test series, then contact the given number here in this video, 9804654228, or visit our website www.shomusbiology.com, or download our app Shomu's Biology from the Play Store. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.